Okay, I'm going to make a few videos of this rifle and some of its upgrades that I bought. Okay, this is a loopholed scope rail or whatever you want to put on it. There's the name, loopholed. And then I bought two different suppressors. One of them is a muzzle brake. Well, I think the other one's a suppressor. Okay, this one is made by Tribe. And there's the threads in this area. Kind of hard to see. Okay, so this one has three little vents in it. The bullet comes out of that end. Okay, and then this one is made by Troy. Anyways, okay, it's the other upside down. Troy, Troy. And Tribe is the name of that suppressor. And then I got a Timney trigger because they had recalled this trigger and said that they were shooting when you weren't pulling the trigger. I don't know if it was doing it when they were pulling the bolt or it was doing it on its own. I don't know. Feels about the same width of it. Anyways, this one's a little different. I'm going to be changing all these out myself. And then on the front here, to change out the suppressors, you just have to unscrew this off with the threads. It's just a thread protector. So I'll make the video doing this right now. And you take this little ring and you put it on there. Just slide it on. Then you take the suppressor. Okay. And then you screw it on. Okay, these are the threads on it is a 5 by 8 by 24. So anyways, muzzle brake. So I thought I'd just show it up real close so you know the size that you would need for this type of rifle. This is a 308, and also it can use 7.62 by 51. Okay. Each one of these suppressors are a little different. So you see that one has a little vents on the side. So what it does is it pushes the air out to the side so that it won't push the gun up in the air, so it kind of keeps it leveled out. This one right here is a little different. This one like has some holes down in the inside. Let me do it this way. So what those holes are for this one is just to push all the sound forward so it doesn't blow up your ears. And then it's got these teeth right here. That's for self-defense, like if you're in close combat, you can use that to defend yourself. And it also has its own ring. And that's the trigger again. So that'll be the end of this video right here, because I'm going to do each one as a separate video for each thing. This one right here is going to take a while because I got to take the whole barrel and bolt out of it to change out the trigger, and I'll show you that later on. And then I'll have a video of this one here. This shouldn't take too long. It takes out 4 bolts. It has the 4 bolts with it right in here, and then it has a little Allen wrench tool that you can change them out with. So they go in up here at the top. There's these little bitty screws that are in the holes just to protect the holes, and they come out with a little bitty flat tip screwdriver. So I'll use that and my little ratchet to get those out. Okay, so that'll be the end of the video for just putting that on and letting you see what gun this is. This is a Remington 700 AAC SD, and it's size 308 and 7.62 by 51 ammunition can go in it. And as you can see, the barrel is very big and thick, and so it can handle more heat when you shoot it and handle more stress, so it'll last longer. Yep, definitely had to change that out because they said the ammunition would be going off on it, shooting when you don't want it to. Okay, to the next video.